It is a sunny morning. The house looks bright and happy. Birds are flying in the sky.
Mom is making breakfast. Dad is setting the table. The children are waiting happily. The children drink fresh juice. They smile and laugh together. They feel strong and happy. Mom packs the picnic basket. She puts sandwiches inside. She adds fruits and lemonade. Dad looks at the park map. He plans the way carefully. The children watch him. The boy wears his cap. The girl wears her sun hat. They are ready to go.
The family leaves the house. Everyone feels excited. Today is a fun day. The children sit in the car. Mom helps with seat belts. Everyone is safe. Dad starts the car. Trees pass by slowly. They feel happy inside. They reach the park. The grass looks soft and green. The children run happily. The children look around. They see trees and flowers. Everything looks colorful. They walk to the pond. Ducks swim in the water. The children watch quietly. The girl throws breadcrumbs. The ducks come closer. The boy smiles widely. Dad takes photos. Mom smiles with love. This moment is special. They walk on the flower path. Butterflies fly around. The air feels fresh. The children smell flowers. They close their eyes. They feel calm and happy. They cross a small bridge. Dad holds the girl's hand. Mom holds the boy's hand. They reach the playground. The children run fast. They feel very excited. The boy sits on the swing. Dad pushes him gently. The boy laughs loudly. The girl goes on the slide. She slides down slowly. Mom watches carefully. The children meet new friends. They say hello nicely. Everyone smiles. They play together on grass. They run and catch the ball. They laugh together. The boy trips a little. Dad helps him stand. The girl claps for him. They see a small fountain. Water splashes softly. The children watch closely.
Mom spreads the picnic blanket. Dad brings the food. Everyone sits together. The children eat sandwiches. They talk and smile. Food tastes good. Dad pours lemonade. The children drink slowly. They feel refreshed. They sit under a big tree. Mom tells a small story. Birds sing softly. The boy points at a ladybug. The girl collects flowers. Nature looks lovely. The children play again. They jump and skip. Parents watch happily. They play on the seesaw. Up and down they go. They laugh together. They explore small plants. They see tiny insects. They learn new things. The children skip on grass. Their feet feel light. They feel free. The girl holds colorful flowers. The boy watches butterflies. The park feels magical. Dad takes more photos. Mom smiles warmly. Memories are made. The children run again. They love the playground. Energy is high. The boy swings very high. Dad cheers for him. He feels proud. The girl slides very fast. They see friends again. They wave their hands. Friendship feels nice. They play hide and seek. Children hide behind trees. Everyone laughs.
The children collect leaves. Leaves are red and yellow. They look beautiful.
The family rests on the blanket. They look at clouds. Time feels slow. The family laugh together. Smiles are everywhere. Love fills the air. They pack the picnic things. Children help happily. The park stays clean. They walk back to the car. The sun goes down slowly. They feel tired but happy. They drive back home. Children talk about the day. Memories stay in hearts. It is a perfect day. The family is happy. See you next time, friends.